What's up, guys? So here we are with our new logos, and as you have seen, I already portrayed myself. I already said that hey, we'll be changing the logos after the weather change, right? So guys, एक और चीज मैं आपको ना I just want के लोग ने इसको समझे थोड़ा सा. आपने देखा होगा आजकल ना हमारा न्यूज चल रहा है that इथेनॉल का कंटेंट बढ़ा दिया पेट्रोल पे. इसकी वजह से people are saying इंजन्स के ऊपर प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. So I'll be putting up a full blog because my dad works in Mathura train. So precisely I just want to give a picture that उनका से क्या है, उन लोगों का से क्या है who are making these things, right? Who are doing all these things and उनका से क्या है कि इथेनॉल की कंटेंट से कुछ इंजन पे प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है कि नहीं आ. प्लस दिस वुड बी एन एड ऑन. इसी ब्लॉग में आई विल बी शोइंग यू अ कवरेज ऑफ व्हाट इंटीरियर थिंग्स आई हैव डन प्रिसाइसली, राइट? So let's just come in and we will just go with the vlog. So now we'll be covering up and we'll be showing you how the aesthetics look after getting the logos changed, right? So you can see the front logo, right? This is how it looks like, right? Now coming with the side profile. Yeah. So this is exactly what we wanted, and this is how down it is prepared. To be precise, I am not down completely. These are stock suspensions going on, correct? You can have a look at the rear portfolio as well of the car. You can see how crisp and how fine it is looking, correct? So it is combining, it is matching with this spoilers, the black part, right? And obviously I'm thinking कि कुछ carbon fiber के parts ना I'll be putting up, जिससे कि we can also add up some crispness of carbon as well. And also, please let me know in the comments down below that should I go on with a roof color change of carbon fiber or not? Because I'm thinking I should add up some carbon fiber on the roof part rather doing it black with the PPF. Because you do know market में ना आजकल आपका जो कार्बन फाइबर PPF है वो बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है and it is giving a very good gloss.
2,000 years later.
So getting inside the car, I'll just give you a quick show up how it looks like, how subtle the colors look like, and I've changed certain things. Now I guess you can see. I'll give you more clarity on this. So there are two partners. फिर से आ गए रे बाबा. So these are my buddies. Coming back to the part, let me just. So अब इसमें अगर आप देख सको, so we have put this R-line logo. As from my page you all know that R-line is something which I am making up, right? So मेरा एक build है, my aspiration towards it कि I want to build an R-line of this Virtus, correct? And you to know हर तरीके में, जैसे हर डिफरेंट मॉडल्स में, डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स में, जैसे GT लाइन होता है, राइट? तो वैसे ही एक ये इसका वोक्सवैगन का आर लाइन होता है एंड उसी के ऊपर ये सारा कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड है. बैक टू दिस, आई हैव डन दिस रीकलरिंग ऑफ दिस, राइट? यू कैन सी दैट ये ना ब्लू कलर का होता है इंटीरियर पूरा, बट आई हैव चेंज्ड इट टू रेड एंड इट हैज़ गॉट सम GT कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस एज वेल. अब इसमें आप देखोगे इन दिस वी हैव 1 2 I'll just go back. It is 1 2 3 4 5, करेक्ट? सो बेसिकली अगर हम नॉर्मल एक वर्टस में, एक स्टॉक वर्टस में देखते हैं तो उसमें ना ये सारी कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस नहीं होती, जैसे कि ऑफ रोड वाला और ये स्पोर्ट्स वाला, करेक्ट? आई जस्ट सो नाउ इफ आई एक्सेलरेट, यू जस्ट सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. दिस इज फुली वर्किंग, राइट? कैन यू सी द TPS is working, the turbo is working, RPM is going up, the speed is constant as we are standing, right? Back to the off-road part. अब इसमें देखो आप, now I'll show you the tilt part. So this is 23 degrees wheel angle, correct? So as the wheel is turned on a certain angle, now we'll just change it and see. जैसे जैसे मैं टायर का स्टीयरिंग व्हील घुमाऊंगा वैसे वैसे टायर का अलाइनमेंट चेंज हो जाएगा. The angle, sorry, not the alignment. So yeah, this is something, and this is also showing the temperature, the oil temperature, right? So it is 91 degrees Celsius, and this shows exactly what it is. ऐसा नहीं है कुछ भी changes है. So this is something which I have done in my short part, right? So we have two viewers as well, and yeah. So now closing this vlog, hoping that we'll be getting a good response over it, and then we'll shoot some another vlogs. Being sweaty right now a lot, so we'll just take a quick check. Bye bye guys, love you. subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if there are possibilities of changing or enhancing things which I want or which you want to see in Virtus, because I want to give you a proper glimpse of all the things. See ya guys, love you, bye bye.